Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Virtual Pharmacy. In this video, we are going to discuss about some important pharmacognostical features of coriander. We all know what coriander is because we have already used coriander in our daily day-to-day life in the form of leaves, seeds, or in the form of coriander powder. Coriander belongs to the class terpenoid. Terpenoids on the basis of isoprene units are classified into various subdivisions. Coriander belongs to monoterpenoid or we can say terpenes. Monoterpene or terpenes contains two isoprene units and the general molecular formula of monoterpenoids is C10H16. As it contains two isoprene units, one isoprene unit is C5H8, thus two isoprene units will be C10H16. Coriander is obtained from the fully dried fruit of the plant Coriandrum sativum belonging to the family Umbelliferae. After its biological source, let's discuss some of the important macroscopic features. Coriander has a yellowish brown to brown color. It has a very strong and aromatic odor and its taste is spicy and characteristic. Here the word characteristic means that we can identify coriander out of various drugs just by tasting it as it has a specific taste. The size of fruits is 4 to 30 millimeter in length and 2 to 4 millimeter in diameter. The shape of coriander is subglobular. In coriander, 10 longitudinal primary ridges and 8 longitudinal secondary ridges are present. This is the enlarged structure of coriander. I know it looks like watermelon, but it is enlarged view of coriander. We can see that straight lines are secondary ridges and these wavy lines which are grayish in color are primary ridges. Primary ridges are 10 in number and secondary ridges are 8 in number. We can easily remember this by a trick. In the first alphabet of primary, the P itself give a hint of 10. This line indicates 1 and this circle represents 0. That is, primary ridges are 10 in number. And in secondary, the first alphabet S denotes 8. We can easily remember S as 8. Another trick to remember the style of the ridges is primary ridges curvy whereas S for secondary and S for straight. So secondary ridges are straight and 8 in number. However, primary ridges are curvy or wavy and are 10 in number. After macroscopic features, let's move to the microscopic characteristics of coriander. In the coriander, calcium oxalate crystals are present. Out of various types of calcium oxalate, prism type of calcium oxalate is present. Basically, calcium oxalate crystals helps in the regulation of calcium in the plant tissue or it helps in the metal detoxification of plant. Starch grains, trichomes and lignified reticulate parenchyma are absent in coriander. Here trichomes are the small hairy structure outgrown from the epidermis of a plant. In this figure we can see that this hairy like outgrown structure, white color hairy structure, this is trichome. Aileron grains are present in the coriander. Aileron grains are the protein bodies where the storage protein in the stable form are stored. Chemical constituents. In coriander, 0.3 to 1% of volatile oil is present and in the 1% of volatile oil, the 90% is D-linalool also known as coriandrol. It is very important. D-lanolol is known as coriandrol and from this 1%, 90% is D-lanolol, D-linalool and the 10% remaining contains coriandryl acetate, L-borneol, geraniol and pinene. The leaves of coriander are a rich source of vitamin A. Uses of coriander. Coriander is used as aromatic. Here the word aromatic means that it provides a pleasant smell. Thus coriander is used in fragrance or aroma. Coriander is also used as carminative. The function of carminative is to expel out the gas from stomach. Coriander is sometimes used as stimulant. Here the word stimulant means that it can activate our mind or body or it makes our brain or body more active. It is also used as flavoring agent. The definition of flavoring agent is very simple, that is it imparts flavor in particular food or drug or you can say sometimes cosmetic. Purgative. It is also used along with the purgative to prevent gripping action. Generally, purgatives are used for the evacuation of bowel. That's all for the coriander. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it.